Realme 10 Pro. Brilliant phone. On this also they're doing something very revolutionary with the display. They call it the boundless display. Let me just make it very easy for you.
Yeah.
This is the thinnest bezel ever on a phone in this category. So, display, design, security, the Realme 10 Pro boasts a 6.72-inch boundless display, full HD plus resolution, brilliant stuff, a density of 394 ppi. Phone screen features a punch hole layout where you have the selfie camera at the top center. The power button doubles as the fingerprint scanner and it's placed on the right. The volume rocker sits on the same side as well. So it's beautifully balanced, very nicely put together. And the company offers multiple security features on the device. You have face unlock that works through the front camera and also a side-mounted capacitive fingerprint scanner. So octa-core Snapdragon 695 along with up to 8 GB of RAM to power this. It offers 128 GB of internal storage with the ability to expand the space further, which is very unusual in this category. Also, the Realme UI is built on Android 11 operating system. For imaging purposes, which is of course the camera and everything else, rear camera, again, 108 megapixel Pro Light camera, 2 megapixel portrait sensor, 5000 mAh battery, super VOOC fast charger, 33 watts. Wow. Flipkart is also coming up with unbeatable prices on exchange, along with some amazing affordability options like no cost EMI and Flipkart Pay Later. This is the Realme 10 Pro 5G.